So this is the rocker build-up. I don't know why they put all this tape on. Is that for me? You want to go find a styling shop then? No, it's Sunday. Should not be porn on Sundays. Should not beat the horn on Sunday. Before you build it up, take everything off. I will have. Ask this lad if he wants salt. Yes, 20 quid there. Always take all the labels off first, because how do you know it's not chipped? Four and a half, 3.5. I will have sausage, bacon, egg, salad cream.
Sausage, egg, what?
Sausage, bacon and egg, salad cream. Plaster. So the rocker kit, what's involved in the rocker kit? The bolt. These are the vital situation. Yeah. So I start with the bolts. You know why we start with the bolts? Because it's easier. So I'll screw it out like that. Pull that off, pull that to one side. I'll screw this out. Like that. Screw it off, pull it out, put it to one side. Put it to the opposite side so you know where it's going. And this silicone bottom, yeah. Slide it up. Slide through the hole. Silicone on the bottom. Slide it up. Put it through the hole. Pull it. Silicone the hole. Beautiful. Silicone the hole. Beautiful. In fact, yeah. I'm not going to use the washer, but we'll use it now. See, knows what you like. You want to make sure that these, because we silicone them, we want them over tightened. Yeah. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Okay, lovely. On to the next. Now, a lot of wing nuts will say, I don't do that. And you're right, it don't leak until the washer flattens out, and then someone's sat on it a day in, day out, and then it starts leaking. Silicone, it'll never leak. Ever. Ever. Yeah, yeah. Okay, good. What we're gonna do? What are we gonna do when they come for you? My bandage ain't doing very good, is it? No. Silicone that. And what I like to do is, I like to put it in upside down. Know why? Because I'm special. I said I like seeing a nut. You know what I mean? Oh, baby. Nice. Nice. Then, a little filter. Oh, I thought that was a dodgy end then. Last thing we want is a dodgy end. Same again, sometimes these don't leak, but eventually they will leak, guaranteed. I think some plumbers do it. You know why they do it? Because it's guaranteed work. You know what I mean? Because they know for a fact it might not leak now, but one day it's going to leak. The only way you know it's not going to leak is to silicone it. Yeah. Yeah. This I like to have nice and tight. Make sure that it's away from that wall. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my baby. See that part? Always put that to the opposite side of your waist. Yeah? I don't think these movers are big enough, but we will have a try because my sidekick's not here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, improvisation, do you know what I mean? It's just improvisation. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Improvisation. Nice, nice, nice. Now, thought we were rubber missing. I prefer these instead of the back to wall. Back to wall are a pain out. Do you know what I mean? This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy. And the shape of these toilets are very nice. And then we've got this last one, and that's it. That's how we build a rocker toilet. Guaranteed never to leak. And if you're a plumber and you can't take this siphon out or that out or that out because you've got silicone on, you need a package of it because you're rubbish. You know what I mean? Means you're rubbish. Means you're a screwdriver, a wing nut. What's them at top of a church? You know what I mean? Oh, people. They really frazzle my brain, some plumbers. I don't know how they manage to be a plumber. But always remember, I only deal in facts, not fiction. And that's it. Beautifully done. See how it's away from the side? Lovely. Never have a problem with a rocker.